Here we have three fobs labeled 1, 2, and 3. Each fob hosts a server for the other fobs to communicate with and learn that server fob's ID value. Note that the fob with the lowest ID is elected as the leader. The LED color tells the current status or state of the fob, where red identifies the leader, green identifies the candidate, and blue identifies the citizen or non-leader. The fobs switch between the three states based on 3 timeouts, which are for the election, leader term, and leader heartbeat. Note that each of these timeouts are raised when the count variable for each of them meets a certain threshold. And as it currently stands, each election lasts 10 seconds, each leader term lasts 20 seconds, and each fob must receive the leader's heartbeat within 5 seconds, or else it will enter the election state. When a leader is elected, it will send a UDP packet to each citizen, thereby letting them know it is still alive. The packet also syncs with the fob citizen's leader term counter, so that each fob knows when the leader's term is up. We'll just wait for this current election to end, and if the leader is removed from the system, like so, the remaining citizens will not receive the leader's heartbeat within that 5-second timeout, so they will eventually enter in a new election and will determine the leader between them, as we see here. Note that 3 and 2 were both in the election, but 3 decided that 2 has the smaller ID, so 3 became the citizen, and 2 is still a candidate until that election timeout is over. Once the election timeout is over, 2 will become the new leader, like so.